last episode of our Meghalaya vlog. In this episode, we will show you the journey, stopover in Shillong, Umiam Lake, Kaba Falls and Nohkalikai Falls. So, stay tuned.
Here we are at Kolkata airport on our way to Shillong. The safety measures are really tight, pretty impressive. I wish things were the same on the street. Next few days we will be traveling along the most famous locations of Meghalaya. We have taken a direct flight of Go Air from Kolkata. It will take us 2 hours to reach Shillong. So we are on our way to the first hotel from Shillong airport. I will explain you how it was to come to Meghalaya. Stay tuned.
Finally, we reached Hotel Gateway Shillong. A very nice hotel close to the Police Bazar Square. It's a perfect place to do some aerial videography. We came out to the market to buy some essentials needed for coming few days. But we don't like the face of the crowd during this COVID situation. So we'll quickly do the shopping and go back to the hotel.
Good morning. It will be a relaxing day today. We will be mainly exploring the Umiam Lake and Elephant Falls. So let's start with the Barapani. Umiam Lake or Barapani means big water, is a man-made lake around 15 kilometers away from Shillong. The aerial view of the lake is spectacular. Locals spend a lot of time on the lake fishing.
It's lunchtime and we are damn hungry, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Let's go to this restaurant.
After a disappointing visit of almost dry Elephant Falls, at least we will have some good food.
Bon appétit!
Today we have an early start. We will be going to Tarna village and spend the night there. On the way we will visit Kaba Falls and Nohkalikai Falls.
So, we are in front of Kaba Falls. You can see how foggy it is. Now we'll go down near the waterfall and see how it looks. There is a 20 rupees entry fee to access the viewpoint and 70 rupees for the camera. You have to climb down around 500 steps. This is what is fascinating about the weather here. Few minutes back the visibility was barely 5 meters and now see, it's all clear. Finally we can see the Kaba Falls.
This region is known for its large waterfalls. Being the wettest place in the world with more than 10,000 millimeters of rain every year, it is not really a surprise. But most of the rainfall happens during monsoon, so the flow of the water reduces dramatically outside the monsoon season. Luckily it rained a lot yesterday and we could see some more water in the otherwise almost dry waterfalls. One must visit these waterfalls post-monsoon. The waterfall drops approximately 200 meters into the gorge in 2 different steps. There is a local legend that 2 fairies live at the falls. Here is the massive and one of the highest waterfalls of India, the famous Nohkalikai Falls, dropping a staggering 340 meters. As per legend, this fall was named after a local lady Ka Lekai for a tragic suicide by jumping from the cliff of the waterfall. The light in this region is really moody and changes very frequently. Amazing spectacle of nature. Tourists have to pay 10 rupees per person entry fee to get to the viewpoint of the waterfall. The parking charges is 50 rupees. Unlike Kaba Falls, the main viewpoint is just next to the parking. There is a way to go to the drop of the waterfall, but we did not manage to get there due to shortage of time. But in a place like that, you must keep some of your wish unfulfilled as an excuse to visit again.